Hey everybody, Dwayne Rains here with KeyDigital. Welcome to ISE 2023. And I'm here with a special edition of KD Live with my buddy Jonathan Ferry. And so we're going to be talking about all kinds of cool things. You need to come by and see our booth if you're in the Barcelona area. And it's really cool. We're in the HT-based T booth showing a lot of our UCC solutions, our BYOD, our WP8, our LeCambio, which Jonathan will talk about later. And so right now I'm going to introduce him. Jonathan Ferry, you know him, you love him. You can't live without him.
Hey, there I am. All right, very cool. LeCambio system is going in 100%. We're really excited to be here this year at ISE. We've prepared a presentation to kind of walk you guys through, for those of you who maybe couldn't make it out here to Barcelona, or even the ones who are in Barcelona and perhaps you're putting together your agendas of must-see technology. We're going to make that list, I'm sure of it. So let's start off by talking about that LeCambio system. It's KeyDigital and it's TOA electronics, and it is a complete audio video control solution that uses the LeCambio from TOA. There is it 8 microphones?
That's correct, Jonathan. It is 8 microphone elements that do the tracking, and then the information gets sent to our LeCambio through compass control, through our KD cam, by the way, with compass control. And then when you start speaking, Jonathan, it'll come to see you.
Yeah, that's right. Come on over here, LeCambio. Ah, good boy. See, that's right. We even gave it a pet name and everything. We love it so much. So yeah, we're parsing the two-way data from the LeCambio's 8 mic array, and then we're automatically calling camera presets of the cam USB for, and it's all integrated by compass control. So, you know, you can do so much more. You could turn on and off your displays. It could be for small huddle space rooms. It could be for larger rooms as well over HD-based T. We have our full line of UCC solutions. So if you need to have an additional few video sources, or perhaps your conferencing PC is actually going to be located in a rack versus BYOD, BYOM application, you could do that as well. We have a lot of different form factors for the LeCambio system, and we even have a step-by-step programming guide that makes it all very easy to follow, even if it's your first time getting started with KeyDigital's Compass Control Pro. So you'll want to check out our website for that, or even we've got some really great and entertaining videos on our YouTube channel for this. Next is our VW4x4ProK video wall processor, and I'm going to hand that over to Dwayne.
Well, thank you, Jonathan. And I love this product. This is our second iteration of VW4x4. It's now VW4x4ProK, all 4K, which is really cool. So it is in stock and shipping. And so I'm going to turn it back over to Jonathan, let him go into the key features of that. And then he can ask me any questions he gets stumped on, you know, because I'm the technical expert.
Come on over here, LeCambio. All right. So with the VW4x4ProK, well, video walls are everywhere, and all you got to do is walk the show floor to just see how much people enjoy having these video walls, showing a large form factor for your display. What's great about VW4x4ProK is the versatility of it. We've got 5 different video wall modes. So if you want your standard 2x2, no problem. But you can see on the display here just so much more that it does for you, including that 4x1 or 1x4 portrait or vertical layouts. What else is so cool about it is the value. Every output is both HDMI and over Cat6, and we include the 4 receivers in the box, so you could actually have 2 simultaneously active mirrored video walls for a total of 8 displays through this product. It's really incredible. We've also got an assortment of professional features that really make that video wall look extremely good on the wall for your client, including panel flips, so you can join the narrow parts of the bezels if you're working with video wall displays, and bezel adjustment, allowing you to push the content through the bezel, through the frame, to make like a seamless video wall. Looks very nice. Our one free option for controlling it is the web interface. It's a very end user friendly layout from any web browser on a portable device or laptop. the free KeyDigital app, yet again, another free control interface. And of course, you know, for you pro AV installers out there, it's got an open API that's extremely easy to control the device.